been raining for about 5 minutes, and the water is overflowing along the gutter because the downspout's not working, and so it's fallen into the rain barrels. Two with tops. One I took the top off before it started raining in anticipation of this, and then the 225 gallon one that will have a hose connected to it to drain it once it gets up towards the top. But this is an example of what happens with the rain that overflows because the downspout is not cleaned out or whatever. It's been that way for years, 3 years, 4 years probably. So this will hold 55, 55, 55, and 225, so that's obviously spent about 400 gallons of water will be held here. And a heavy rain would fill all those up.